Gator here. Thanks for clicking on by to watch nothing. I got an email from Nothing, this company that Carl Pei started a couple of years ago. For one reason or another, he got sick of playing with this device right here, the OnePlus 9 Pro. Yeah, 9 Pro. Excuse me, Hasselblad. Anyway, it's really cool. Carl Pei had a falling out with OnePlus, and he did nothing about it. So let's rip this open, shall we? Yes, we shall. Now, I'll admit, I was really stoked about the beta program because I've been a beta tester before. Ooh, do you see that? Do you see nothing? That's okay. So, okay, this just slides out. They sent me a black one. I didn't really have a choice. I don't remember choosing white or black. Oh, that's that smells like chemicals. Oh, that was a bad smell test. Okay, inside the first package, it says accessories, and it's embossed. That's very nice. Oh my gosh, that's a cool SIM card ejector. And a USB to USB-C cable? But how am I going to charge it? Well, I'll probably just use this thing. I have a plethora of chargers. Okay, let's flip it. Here goes nothing. Nice packaging, and it is hours and hours later. I didn't get to play with the device yet. I was going to do one of those in the car videos, but you know what? Sometimes the comfort of your own home is... Oh, that was... Ooh. I made a mess of that, didn't I? Well, that is not going back on. Ooh. You know, I don't really care so much that I didn't get the white one. This looks pretty cool. And we could just turn it around for like an hour, or we could just power it on. Huh! Nothing happened. Did you see that? Okay, that's enough of nothing jokes. And in the packaging, USB-C to USB-C. And the coolest ever SIM card ejector tool. I have a collection of these, which is this little thing right here. And if we look, that would be a Death Eater if you're unfamiliar with Harry Potter. And this is one of the first generation parts to Chamber of Secrets, probably from a 2006 Lego set. Anyway, oh, and the Death Eater fell off. We'll just put him right there. So these are like just the lame, kind of boring ones. I started dating them after all the cell phones I started testing. This is a nib from a Remarkable stylus. So we'll put all those back in, except for these two. Whoop. So very standard. You either get a loop or you get this little flat thing, but this is like, looks like a resistor or some type of circuit board. Hello, English, United Kingdom. Sure. Connect to mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert now. Skip. Skip. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Hang on. Now look, don't get me wrong. I like you people. It's just that I don't know you all. And to show you my Wi-Fi password, that's... We're not ready to go to that part of the relationship. You know, some of my immediate my mom doesn't even know my Wi-Fi password, so I'm not going to tell it to you. My apologies. Sorry, not sorry. Good news, getting phone ready. So we're going to compare this to another phone, quasi in the same price range, the OnePlus 10T, which is also a budget phone, and in a way, kind of a sister company. 3 camera lenses and a really bright LED light. Kind of a plasticky, you know, pretty good size phone. Tapered edges. So on my left is the Nothing Phone 1, and my right is the OnePlus 10T. Weight's not a big thing. Really, when I first look at this, it reminds me of an iPhone 4 because of the squareness. But I like that design. There's the LED. Love that see-through back. There's the logo that says Nothing. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. And then what else can we see on the lenses? 2x zoom. Can we go 4x zoom? Oh yeah. Model A063, Nothing Technology Limited, London, England. That's legit right there, man. Copy and paste, don't copy. Most likely it's going to ask me to log in with some email next. We're gonna have to get the charging ready. Nice little paper tab there. Cool. I do really like it when the color of the phone matches the cable, or vice versa. In this case, it does not. It's white. So I'll plug that into my PD port here on my Anchor softball thingy. And let's see, skip. I just want to get to the phone. I like the font, 2580. Sure, setup. Hopefully you can hear that vibration. So some nice haptic feedback for a budget phone. And up until about a week ago, these were not shipping to the US. Hence the whole beta program. I don't even know if this is going to work with Mint Mobile. Done. Allow all notification content. Yes. And liken the font. Google Home. Yep, that's fine. Getting your phone ready. Terms. Sure. Agree. Improve. Sure. More than sound. A new way to visualize. System navigation. I like 3-button. I'm old school. Welcome. I'm always curious to see, oh, came with 50% battery life. Pretty fast recognition. So let's see if I just tap. Nice. So you unlock it with the fingerprint and boom. Wednesday, January 18th, 1 degree Celsius, mostly cloudy. How much space is on here? UI, different than OnePlus, different than Google, different than Samsung. About phone. Device name, storage, 16 gig of 128 gig, 8 gigs of RAM, okay. SIM 1, SIM 2, 2 different SIM cards, very nice. So it's running Android 12, regulatory, oh cool. Model A063, Australia, Japan, Taiwan, Singapore. Complies with the Singapore IMDA standards. Well, that's going to help me sleep at night. 8 gigs of RAM, and it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G+. I don't even really know what that means. Ooh, experimental features? Connect to my Tesla? Wait, I get a Tesla as part of the beta? What? Okay, now I'm just spreading false rumors. You don't get a Tesla when you purchase or when you join the beta program for nothing. You don't get a Tesla for nothing. that's pretty good. No, you don't get a Tesla for nothing. But that's curious. Now maybe I want a Tesla more. Ben, David, what do you think? If I could get a used one for 15 grand, maybe a Gen 1 Tesla that already has 600,000 miles on it. So it does have grayscale. It has, let me find my SIM card and we'll go to town. BRB. I'm going to play with this for a bit. Initial impressions though, just out of the box, minutes later, for 300 bucks. Let's try a little test of the Lego here. Kind of a cool sound there. Okay, let's try a portrait of moi. Nice. So now we'll try to zoom in on the Legos here. So it has a 2x zoom. So here's just a 1x zoom. And then here's 2x zoom. And oh, whoa, okay, you can go up to 20x. So this is a zoom in on Hermione's face. And then by default, it was in 4:3, so now I have to change it to 16:9. So I was this close to Hermione, and that was the picture we got. Let's try a close-up on Hagrid here. This is very scientific stuff we're doing here, folks. Come on, Hagrid, talk to me. Okay, let's put Hagrid right in front of Sirius Black. Hey, sweetie. Just filmed a video that you're just in. Thanks for the cameo. Do you like that sound? You don't want to be in the video? Should I pause? Pause. One thing I've always liked about not just Nothing, but OnePlus and Samsung and what's the other one? Oh yeah, Google, is that they make the phones fun to use. And, you know, yes, Apple, this iPhone 12, it's fun. Android's more fun. I know I shouldn't say this word. It's, okay, I'm going to try. It's funner. That's more fun. Okay, are you ready? So I'm going to unplug this. The phone is off. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on, that's fun. Apple doesn't do that. OnePlus does. And the new Google Pixel 7 Pro Minor E flat. It's okay. Let's do it again. So phone is off. Be quiet. Quiet on set. Come on. That's cool. And I really like the Nothing font. Now you're thinking, wow, is this Peter's first rodeo ride along Nothing? No. I have those headphones. They're somewhere. And then I unboxed these about 2 months ago. Listen to this. Shh, or you're not going to hear it. I showed these to a friend. We'll just say his name is Todd. And he's like, wow, the design, really cool. So Nothing's here. Nothing's here. Let's see how cool they are to pair. But first, let me show you the light show. Oh, and face recognition just failed. Installation pause. Installation will continue when device isn't being used. Update 2.3 gig. Updated to October-November security patch. Okay. Improved OS fluidity and reduced stutters. That's good. Adjusted the thermal threshold to balance performance and temperature. Improve audio quality when recording videos. More accurate battery status. Resolved issue. Okay. So why do we buy phones? One, to make phone calls. So we'll probably test that in another video. We already did the photos. Let's take a video. But first we'll let the update go. What were we just going to do? Oh, pairing. This is another phone that I've been testing, but I just sold it on eBay today. So we'll turn that off. So Bluetooth isn't pairing. And then because this one is connected, we'll just make that. Oh, I have to show it to you. Yeah, this is my circular ring that I've been testing. This is an Oura Ring Gen 3. This is a cool Star Wars ring that I've been testing on my own. None of these people are sponsors. It's an Enzo ring. It's not Luke Skywalker. It's another one, but it glows in the dark. It's so much fun. Oura Ring 3.0 and Oura Ring 2.0. I haven't decided which third gen I'm going to sell. I really like the thumb ring, but I can get another Enzo ring, and because charging 4 rings, it's a bit much. Ooh, yeah, 17,000 steps. Let's check my progress on the leaderboard. 44th place out of 50. All right. So we're going to slide that down into airplane mode. Now nothing can interfere. So all we should do, this should be a really, really easy pair. Love that sound. Turn on the... And then I'll take these... Wait, I turned you off! Start over. Okay, that first test did not work. We're at 57%, 820. Really? Is it 820? Good night. Where does the day go? We open up the phone. Take these out. Put one in my ear. Put one in my other ear. And then I push the magic... Ah, they're connected to my iPhone. For Pete's sake. How many devices do we need to kill in this bedroom? Okay, powered off. Okay, everything is powered off now. Good grief. If I'm still making these same mistakes, Malakwa, when I'm at 6,000, when I reach 10,000 subs, will you just slap me? Just slap me across. I'm tired and a little wired and why isn't this working? It should just open and then yeah. Headphone test, take 3. See, most people only have one phone, so you're not going to have this issue. Ooh, we're at 60%. Charging rapidly. Okay, here goes nothing. Literally. Put it in my ear. Huh. Take 3. Everything's off. We're at 61%. I'll be changing that password after this video, by the way. Here we go. It's trying to connect to a Vivo Move HR, an Aura Ring, Wise Hub, Aura, Vivo Active 3, Charge 4. Where's my nothing headphones? I would think it would just like, okay, we're going to install the update. Just to vent some more. Stuff like this doesn't happen. It happens to everyone. That's just